Today I'm going to be showing you how to use your Instant Pot to heat up leftovers. Hi, I'm Karen Peterson. I own the blog 365daysofcrockpot.com. I love my Instant Pot and use it any chance I can get. Join me on my blog 365daysofcrockpot.com for new Instant Pot recipes and slow cooker recipes. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a tip on how to use your Instant Pot to heat up leftovers. A lot of people these days are not loving their microwaves. For whatever reason, they'd rather use their Instant Pot to heat up leftovers. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can do that very quickly and very easily. But before I show you the tip, make sure to subscribe to my channel on YouTube. I'd love it if you join me every single Tuesday when I post a new Instant Pot recipe, tip, or trick. I'd love to see you at our Facebook group, 365 Days of Instant Pot Recipes too. I'll make sure to leave the link in the notes below. All right, now I'm going to show you the simple and easy way to use your Instant Pot to heat up leftovers. So what you need is just a couple cups of water, and I'm going to put that right into the bottom of my Instant Pot insert. Then I like to use the trivet, and this actually came with my Instant Pot. If you don't have a trivet, you may want to order one online. I'll put the link to where you can get one on Amazon in the notes below. Go ahead and insert that into the pot. I have my leftover chicken chili here. If you'd like the recipe, it's on 365daysofcrockpot.com. But it's been in my fridge the last day, and I'm gonna serve it up for dinner again tonight. So I wanna warm it up. Now, I have these cool stackable pots that I got. They're stainless steel, and I got them on Amazon. They're cool because there's two of them, so you could put two different things. Let's say you had chicken down here and rice in here, and that way they don't intermix. You can also use some sort of pan that will fit inside your Instant Pot like this one. And I'll put the links to all of these in the notes below. This is the same circumference, but it would hold more soup. So these are just cake pans, and they're 7-inch cake pans, and they fit inside the Instant Pot very nicely. So you can use those. But today I'm going to actually use this one because it has a lid on it, and that way I don't have to use foil. If you use one of these, you'll probably want to cover it with foil just so that the condensation doesn't drip on top of your food and make it runny. So I'm only going to use one of these today. So go ahead and pop the lid off, and then put my leftovers in there. I'm gonna put my lid right on top. One thing that you can do if you have this kind of trivet is you can use the handles to lower the pan down into the pot like that. So that's really easy. If you don't have a trivet with handles, what you can do is use a sling made out of foil, or what I've done is I've cut this silicone baking mat into thirds, and I made my own sling. That way I can use it, I can lower it down into the pot and then pull it out when it's done. But because I have the trivet with handles, I'm just gonna put that right on top of that today and lower it into the pot. So now that we have that in there with the water, make sure there's water in there, that's very important. Go ahead and put the lid on. And you're going to make sure this valve up here is set to sealing, not to venting. And then you're going to go ahead and use the steam button, and it is right there. You're going to go ahead and use the steam button, and you're going to set it for 5 minutes. Now, if you have really like cold food or a bunch of it, or it's frozen, you're going to need more time. But because this was straight from my fridge and it's just one item, I'm going to set it for 5 minutes on the steam. As soon as the time is up, you can go ahead and move the valve from sealing to venting. As soon as you can, go ahead and open up the pot. And then use some hot pads to go ahead and lift out the trivet and the pan. You can go ahead and remove the lid. And go ahead and test it, make sure it's to your desired level of warmness. Mine's pretty warm. If yours is not, you can go ahead and add a few minutes and start the process over. Or you can always just pour the leftovers straight into the pot without the water in it and use the saute mode and kind of just stir it around and heat it that way, kind of like you would on the stove top. It's up to you. But for now, I'm gonna go ahead and dish myself up some soup. I hope this tip was helpful to you today. Make sure to join me next Tuesday for another Instant Pot recipe, tip, or trick. See you then. Don't forget to join our 365 Days of Instant Pot Recipes Facebook group. And I would love it if you would subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. See you next week.